Hello. Uh, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel's frequency function so as you can make a histogram by hand with a large amount of data. Now, I understand that Microsoft Excel also has a histogram, automatic histogram function in its data pack. That's the topic for another time. So let's get started with the frequency function. And let's go share screen. And let's open up. Now in this case, suppose, for example, I enter scores from an exam, and I just entered some fake scores here. And I want to know how many scored below 59 or below, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 100. Now, and I think I made an error here, so I'll fix that. This would include the 100 here. So if I want to do that, first thing is that I have to set up my bins, and these are the numbers here. And I use what's known as a frequency function for the data. Now, there's a little trick to enter this. So the very first thing you have to do is Microsoft Excel returns an array. In this case, it returns a column vector that tells you how many entries from this data problem, this data column, are going to be there for 50 for this range, this range, this range, this range. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to put a place for your array to go. Now that we've done that, you put equal, then you type frequency. Now the next thing you need to do is tell frequency where the data is, the data that you want to take the frequency count. It starts at A2 and it ends at A31. Then you comma. Now you tell it the bin. And the bin is C2 colon C6. Now, before you hit enter, remember, this is an array. So the way most versions of Excel do this is you hit Control, Shift, then hit enter. And you see how you get the brackets when you do that? That's telling you you have your output is going to be an array. If you don't do that, you'll get some weird numbers there. So you really have to do the Control Shift enter, and you also have to have a place for the array like this. And now you see you have 3, 59 or below, 2 between 60, 69, 9, 9, and 7. And then you can feel free to make a histogram from this data. So again, the key things is, one, you have to, before you start, you have to put a place for this to be. So you have to, like I'm doing here, you have to put a place for your column output. If you don't do that, you'll just get the first entry. All right, so thanks for watching.